Have you noticed that once the sun goes down, your body doesn't feel the same as it used to? Maybe your feet feel cold, you wake up more often to use the bathroom, or intimacy seems less responsive than it once was. For many men over 60, these changes quietly appear at night, just when your body should be resting and repairing. But here's the truth. What you're experiencing isn't just getting older. It's your body sending you signals that circulation is weakening in the very areas that matter most. And ignoring those signals only lets them grow louder over time. Before we go further, take a moment to subscribe to Prime Men's Health and share this video with a friend who might quietly be facing the same struggle. Every week, we bring you science-based strategies to help men over 50 stay strong, healthy, and connected. I'm Dr. Danielle Jones. For more than 30 years, I've worked alongside men in their 50s, 60s, and beyond, helping them navigate the natural changes that come with age. I've seen the same story repeat itself countless times. A man begins to notice weaker energy, restless sleep, or changes in performance, and he assumes it's simply an irreversible part of aging. But medicine tells us something very different. These aren't signs of failure. They're signs of function. Your circulation, your nerves, and your hormones are all still capable of working well if you know how to support them in the right way. Tonight, as you prepare for bed, your body has the perfect opportunity to reset. But instead of reaching for pills, injections, or quick fixes, there are simple, proven techniques that rely on your body's own design. Think of it as reminding your system how to respond rather than forcing it. And it all begins with a small point that most men overlook: a gateway within your pelvic floor that connects blood flow, nerve activity, and recovery. When you know how to activate it properly, you give your body permission to repair overnight instead of quietly breaking down. So in this video, I'll guide you step by step through why nighttime circulation often falters after 60 and how you can gently reawaken it before sleep. We'll separate myth from science, show you practical techniques you can try tonight, and most importantly, help you reconnect with the confidence that aging hasn't taken away, it's only been waiting for your attention. When we talk about circulation, most people picture the major highways of the body, your heart pumping blood through the large arteries in your chest, arms, and legs. But what really determines your daily energy, your recovery at night, and even your intimate health are the smaller backroads, the tiny capillaries that feed your muscles, nerves, and organs. After the age of 60, these backroads don't always work the way they used to. They stiffen, they narrow, and they become less responsive to signals that once opened them easily. This is why you might feel numbness, stiffness, or weaker performance without any obvious heart problem. The issue often lies at the microscopic level, where blood meets nerve. One of the key players here is your parasympathetic nervous system, sometimes called the rest and repair system. When you were younger, this system worked like a finely tuned conductor, directing blood flow to your pelvic organs, calming stress hormones, and allowing your body to restore itself while you slept. But years of sitting, shallow breathing, ongoing stress, and poor quality sleep keep many men locked in a mild fight or flight state. That state tightens blood vessels and diverts circulation away from your core, leaving your pelvic floor and nerves undersupplied. You wake up not fully rested. Energy feels flat, and intimacy may feel less responsive. Here's the encouraging news. Science shows that this system can be retrained. Research from Mayo Clinic and Harvard Medical School demonstrates that slow, deliberate pressure on pelvic trigger points can improve vascular response, reduce inflammation, and even support erectile function. Likewise, studies on deep breathing and vagus nerve activation reveal that something as simple as controlled belly breathing can improve nitric oxide release, lower cortisol, and reawaken the body's natural circulation pathways. In other words, your body isn't broken. It just needs a reminder of how to function the way it was designed. Think of it like restoring an old car. The engine is still capable, but the smaller parts, the spark plugs, the fuel lines need a tune-up. For your body, that tune-up involves stimulating the right nerves, breathing deeply enough to activate repair signals, and giving your tissues the nutrients and oxygen they've been missing. This is not about chasing youth with artificial shortcuts. It's about helping your biology remember what it already knows, how to circulate, how to repair, and how to restore vitality overnight. One of the biggest mistakes men over 60 make is assuming that weaker circulation or reduced intimacy is simply normal aging and therefore unchangeable. While aging does play a role, it's not the final word. Many men accept these changes as their fate, which keeps them from trying proven natural methods that could restore much of what they've lost. Believing that decline is inevitable can become a self-fulfilling prophecy. You stop searching for answers, and the problem quietly grows worse. Another common misconception is the quick fix mentality. Men often reach for pills, injections, or even hormone therapies without addressing the root cause. While these options can sometimes help in the short term, they don't retrain the nervous system or improve microcirculation. In fact, relying on shortcuts can mask deeper issues, leaving your body more dependent and less capable of responding naturally. Circulation health is not something you can outmedicate. It requires daily support, just like muscle strength or joint flexibility. A third mistake is ignoring the role of stress and lifestyle. Many men think only about their physical organs, heart, prostate, or testosterone, while overlooking the fact that stress hormones directly tighten blood vessels and reduce pelvic blood flow. Long hours, sitting after dinner, shallow chest breathing, and skipping restorative sleep all quietly drain circulation. Over time, these habits reinforce a cycle of poor blood flow, restless nights, and fading energy. It's not simply about age, it's about daily patterns that either fuel decline or support repair. Finally, some men believe they need intense workouts or dramatic changes to restore vitality. The truth is often the opposite. Research shows that gentle techniques like pressure on the pelvic floor, deep belly breathing, short evening walks, or applying warmth can have measurable effects on blood flow and nervous system balance. Trying to power through with aggressive routines may actually increase stress and tension, pushing your body further from the state it needs to recover. In reality, consistency with small, focused actions is far more powerful than occasional extremes. Now that we've separated the myths from the facts, let's focus on what you can actually do. Simple, practical techniques you can start tonight. These steps are not about adding more pills to your routine, but about teaching your body to respond again using its own built-in systems. Done consistently, they can retrain your nerves, improve circulation, and set the stage for deeper rest and stronger vitality. Step 1. The perineum press. Before bed, sit comfortably on the edge of your mattress. Make a soft fist and gently press your knuckles into the perineum, the space between your scrotum and anus. Apply slow, steady pressure for about 60 to 90 seconds while breathing deeply. This gentle compression stimulates the pudendal nerve, calming stress signals and increasing blood flow to your pelvic floor. Think of it as waking up the nerves that restore nighttime circulation. Step 2. Belly breathing in bed. Afterward, lie on your back with one hand on your belly. Inhale through your nose for 4 seconds, letting your abdomen rise. Exhale slowly through your mouth for 6 seconds, letting your belly fall. Repeat for 3-5 minutes. This deep breathing lowers cortisol, strengthens your vagus nerve, and promotes the release of nitric oxide, a natural chemical that widens blood vessels and supports erectile health. Step 3. Add gentle warmth. Place a warm towel or heating pad on your lower abdomen or just above your tailbone for 10 to 15 minutes before sleep. The warmth relaxes pelvic muscles, improves oxygen delivery, and enhances nerve sensitivity. Combined with the perineum press, this creates a powerful reset for your body's rest and repair mode. Step 4. Move after dinner. Instead of sitting for hours in front of the TV or computer, take a 7 to 10-minute walk or do light stretching. Even washing dishes while standing can help. This small movement activates your calf muscle pump, preventing blood from pooling in your legs and redirecting it toward your core where it's needed most. Step 5. Support with magnesium. About an hour before bed, consider 200-400 milligrams of magnesium glycinate or citrate, or try a warm bath with Epsom salts. Magnesium relaxes blood vessels, supports testosterone, and calms the nervous system, making it easier for your body to shift into repair mode overnight. Always consult your physician before starting supplements, especially if you take other medications. These steps may seem simple, but their power lies in consistency. Just a few minutes each evening can transform your nights from restless and disconnected into restorative and energizing. Let's bring everything together. What you've learned isn't about chasing youth or pretending that age doesn't matter. It's about understanding how your body changes after 60 and using that knowledge to work with it rather than against it. Circulation naturally slows, nerves grow quieter, and stress hormones rise more easily, but none of these shifts mean decline is inevitable. By applying a few minutes of attention each night, you can teach your body to remember how to respond. Deeper breathing, steadier blood flow, calmer nerves, and a stronger connection between your health and your confidence. Think back to the techniques we covered. The perineum press gently stimulates the nerves that support circulation. Belly breathing retrains your nervous system to relax and repair. Gentle warmth and evening movement keep blood flowing to the areas that matter most. And magnesium, whether through supplements or a warm bath, helps your body release tension and prepare for restorative sleep. Each step is simple on its own, but together they create a powerful nightly routine that restores the signals your body has been waiting for. Most importantly, remember this: what you're feeling is not failure. It's your body whispering for attention. 2 minutes before bed can make the difference between restless nights and mornings filled with energy, vitality, and confidence. It's never too late to reconnect with your health. Whether you're in your 60s, 70s, or beyond, your body is capable of renewal. You are not broken. You are ready to be reminded of what you can do. If this message resonated with you, don't keep it to yourself. Share this video with a friend, a brother, or someone you know who may be quietly struggling. And if you'd like more practical, science-backed guidance, subscribe to Prime Men's Health. Each week, I bring you tools designed to help men over 50 reclaim strength, protect circulation, and feel more connected to life. This is your space. You are not alone, and I'm so glad you're here.